this desktop hard drive. This one here, desktop hard drive. It's 8 terabyte storage, so there's a lot of storage. And this one is good for Windows and Mac. And because I got a lot of photos, videos, so I need more space. I don't want them in my computer because it takes a lot of room in your computer, and then it will kind of slow down the processing. So, and all my old photos and videos will be stored in this hard drive. And I thought it's just a little tiny one. Like, I have another one. Okay, I have this little one over here, a little hard drive. I thought when I first saw this online, it's gonna be like this size, but no, it's this big. So let's open this box. Or even a knife. I got one. Finally. Okay. So let's open it and see how big it is. That's I'm doing the washing. I'm doing my laundry. This is the one that's in the box. It's a big one. I never thought of this one. This big. Look. Look how big it is, and compare how big it is compared to this. This one has twice the storage of this little one. So let's see what else is in this box. What is this? USB thingy. Oh, there's a charger. I didn't know you had to charge it. You gotta charge it. Yeah, I got adapter, and this one I got adapter, so you have to plug this. This one is just connected to the USB to your computer, directly to your computer. This one is you have to plug it, and this one is connected to the computer. I didn't know that. Oh well. As long as I have something to store all my pictures, my old pictures, and my videos. That's the main thing. Okay, that's all for this video.